If you think your hiccups are annoying, wait till you hear about Charles Osborne. In 1922, a man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping, and they didn't stop for 68 years. That's right, folks. He hiccuped an estimated 430 million times. Doctors tried everything, but nothing worked. His hiccups finally stopped in 1990, 1 year before he passed away. Talk about a hiccup marathon. So next time you get the hiccups, just be glad they don't last nearly as long. Crazy, right? Share this unbelievable fact with your friends.